We're very glad and honored to that. The name of Miss Universe organization, I'm gonna say thank you for all these beautiful things that you made for us.
Once again, a round of applause, please, everybody. A huge round of applause for our Miss Universe. We can now move on to our beloved Nikhil Anand sir, the owner of Miss Universe India. So, how was the experience?
Good evening, everyone. A huge thanks to all the media who has gathered over here to welcome our Miss Universe and listen to what she has to say about her experience visiting India. And I would like to welcome Mr. Mario Bucaro, the Vice President of Miss Universe. We're very honored that we have been granted the franchise of Miss Universe this year, and we plan to take Miss Universe onto new heights. India will try its best to make Miss Universe brand stronger every year. I'm very happy to have Shinis with us, who has been the first Nicaraguan girl who won the Miss Universe title. A warm welcome to the whole Miss Universe organization, and I would request our media to address their questions after Mr. Mario shares his experience with us.
Thank you so much. I feel that India needs to be very proud. What we have witnessed today is not only a great partner, a great organization. Today, Miss Universe is a global platform that empowers women and definitely will highlight the best places and the most beautiful places of India. Tomorrow we're going to be at the Taj Mahal, and we want to be able to take the most beautiful pictures that more than 27 million persons can be able to see. But also that we are a platform that goes beyond beauty, because we have an holistic approach and make an impact also in different communities that we're going to do in India. Thanks to the vision of our national director, we're going to be able to continue to be working in education. We're going to be able to be working also on our projects with the Smile Trend and Reflective Talent and others. So we feel very proud, and definitely you need to be very proud. And we hope that your pageant can bring the best delegate to our national and international competition in November in Mexico City. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Once again, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed your visit, and especially tomorrow to the Taj Mahal. I hope it goes the way you can. So, the very awaited time, questions from the media. If anybody would like to raise a few questions, you're more than welcome to ask our beloved Miss Universe. You can raise your hand and I'll be passing on the question.
हेलो मिस्टर निखिल, माई सेल्फ विक्रम। आपका क्या प्लान है मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया को लेकर, और स्नेसिस को आप इंडिया लेकर आए हैं, इस टूर को किस तरह से देखते हैं और क्या आगे का फ्यूचर प्लान्स लेकर चल रहे हैं?
मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया में कुछ चेंजेस आए इस बार जो हिस्टोरिक रहे हैं। There have been historic changes, like we removed the height criteria this time. हमने height criteria हटा दिया ताकि देश की हर लड़की वो सपना देखती है मिस यूनिवर्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाने का, उसके लिए एक अवसर है और वो अपने आप को इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए तैयार कर सकती है। इस साल हमने हर स्टेट में स्टेट डायरेक्टर्स अपॉइंट किए हैं जो हर स्टेट में रीजनल लेवल पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टैलेंट्स को मौका देंगे, ताकि उनके लिए एक सेफ और एक बहुत कन्वीनियंट वे फॉर द नेशनल पैजेंट होता है। एंड मैं चाहूँगा कि देश की वो हर एक लड़की जिसने सपना देखा है और किसी कारणवश शायद हाइट की वजह से या फिर शायद उनके आसपास ऑडिशंस ना होने की वजह से पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाते थे, इस बार उनके लिए मौका है कि वो अपने सपने को जी सकते हैं।
Good evening. Can you hear me? Yeah. This is Sanjay. I work for World News 24/7. So Shenas, the question is for you. It's not one of your rounds that you've done. Today the world, it's all about crying. So how do you feel that you'll be able to tackle crying, the dark net and not crying?
new era. The society is changed. The platform as Miss Universe, that is a beauty pageant, is changing. With my rating, I have the responsibility to motivate the different girls and young girls that they have the future because it's our era, it's the woman era. So it's my time to say to all the young girls that is our moment to explore new adventures in our life, to say something that we have to do for our society. It's the most important thing that the beauty pageant apport to the society. Because now the beauty pageant are more than a beauty pageant. As a platform, the perfect platform to celebrate the diversity and the empowerment that a woman has. It's all that matters. Celebrate the woman, because the woman can change the world.
Thank you.
I'm Santosh Mehta, I'm a senior journalist. I would like to know how do you organize such events like Miss Universe, and is there any list you prepare to select media, because this person said कि मैं अभी security को बुलाता हूँ आप बाहर चले जाओ, and 6-7 people are coming. I'm not a criminal, I'm a journalist from the over 20 years, so why do you give such people to PRO work? My suggestion to you.
We understand we all are humans and sometimes we do make mistakes. Sometimes we lack some things in hospitality, but we do respect all the media groups and we understand your contribution in making any event bigger. You are the pillar of our events and you guys make us reach millions of people. We are thankful to the media companies who actually contribute to our growth, and I would extend my gratitude to everybody who's present over here, who has come for us, and we are wholeheartedly very grateful for your presence over here.
You haven't answered the second question.
Please repeat.
How do you organize such events like a big one? And
There's a big team. There's a big team who actually works behind the scenes. We always see the beautiful winners, the beautiful stage, beautiful lights, but there are hundreds of people who work as a team and they make it a big event. It's our national team, the state directors, there are so many photographers, videographers, creative directors, then there are so many beautiful brains who actually plan and execute it. There are talent managers who help the talents reach this platform. Our motto is to reach more and more people so that everybody can transparently audition and they can actually have a platform where they can live their dreams. My only motto is that we should be there for everyone. If you dare to dream, there is the whole world to win.
Hello. Miss Nicaragua. First of all, you are Miss Nicaragua, and after Universe Nicaragua.
She won Miss Nicaragua and then she went on to win Miss Universe.
What
Yes.
are you feeling in your coming 30s, your birthday? How you have planned for this in event full month?
Could you please repeat once?
30th May and birthday.
Yes.
What do you plan for in between full month?
You have your birthday on 30th May. What are your plans for your birthday? Being the Miss Universe now.
Well, my birthday always was special because I born on the Mother Day in my country. So I celebrate my birthday and at the same time I celebrate my mom and my grandmother. And this time I hope to celebrate with health, with love, and with my family too. It's all that I want.
Shini ma'am, Rajesh from Delhi 99 TV. Now you are in India looking very pretty in Indian attire, Indian sari. First of all, you are looking very pretty in Indian sari. You are wearing now. My question is, how looks India from other countries? Now you are in India, and in India, where are you going to plan, and which cities you are going to plan to visit?
India makes me feel part of them, of yours. I feel like an Indian in Dutam too, because I know that it's very, very meaningful for all of you, this custom, the sari. And I wear with proud, it with very, very love, because I love the different culture that exists around the world, and I really respect it. And it's my first time in India, and I'm very, very excited to visit the Taj Mahal. But also, I want to tell you that one of my favorite food is that chicken tikka masala. So, I'm so excited to taste the original chicken tikka masala here in India. And I want to tell you this too, that I'm not eat spicy, but I'm going to do an exception for chicken tikka masala.
Another question is, can we see in coming days in any Bollywood movie we can see?
They asked that if they can see you working in the Indian movies in future.
Well, if the opportunity is open to me, absolutely yes.
Hello, I'm Shana Rajesh from Total Cover. Every lady, every girl wants to become a Miss Universe. Some has to face a hardship. I would like to know, have you ever faced a hardship in your life? It is easy to become Miss Universe, or have you any faced the hardship you want to share, please?
When I decided to participate in the national beauty pageant in my country, Nicaragua, I know that now being part of the huge organization and the global organization, Paris Miss Universe, is also a responsibility. So when I decided, I always would, I was prepared if I won. But at the same time, I was clear that, well, I'm Nicaragua. So it's not common that my country or the other country from Central America won the first crown. But I had a dream, and my dream come true. And I'm here, sit down in front of you as your Miss Universe. And being Miss Universe is not like to get oppression. It's a responsibility with love. It's bring the sash and the crown for the people, for the girls and for the women that believe in our platform. And yes, maybe sometimes it's hard to me to wake up because, come on, everybody loves to sleep. So it's the same with me because I'm like you. I'm a human.
Any message you want to give for girl who want to become Miss Universe next? Any message on behalf of you for the girl who want to become a Miss Universe?
The most important message that I want to tell you, to all of you, to all the young people, and absolutely to all the people that are watching me on the different platform, is my dream come true, and it was because I believe in me. I believe in one day my life can change because I work hard for that. So all of you, believe in you, believe in your voice, believe in your dreams. And always, I'm gonna tell you this, if many people don't believe in you and say no, it's because your dream is close to you. So focus on your dream, focus on what you're gonna do for the future and what you're gonna do for your next generation. The most important, what you're gonna do for you.
Hello everyone.
So,
how do you feel the bilateral relation in between your country and our country? Because we do have a Miss Universe.
Let me answer this question that is very important. You know, Miss Universe is a global platform that unites people. We don't see politics or diplomatic relationships among the countries. We see personal relationships like the one that we're trying to develop today in India. It's not about flags or even about languages. It's about this bond that nevertheless about the language, we have traveled so far away to be able to connect with the people of India and that we can know that we are one universe, a global family. And that's what we're looking for in Miss Universe. So we move aside from any type of diplomatic relationships or politics because we believe that we are already a cultural platform that is built by everyone and not just for one person, but for the whole world. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello everyone, Karan this side. So my question to Cerise is that what was your best experience in India? In this Indian group, what was your best experience? Like you have said that you have visited Taj Mahal. So any experience you would like to share with us?
Well, I arrived just a couple hours, but the people here is amazing. The people make me feel very, very happy. It's a warm people, humble people. Make me feel like home. If I'm American from Central America, Latin America, but all of you make me feel very close to my home. And I'm very, very excited to meet the Taj Mahal tomorrow. It's the first thing that we're gonna do. So I'm looking for that, and I'm looking for all the beautiful things that India has to offer us.
हेलो नंदा जी हेलो यार जिस तरीके से देखा जाए कि ये बहुत सी कंट्रियाँ इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है और नए नए चेंज भी आए हैं, बहुत से पार्टिसिपेट कर लिए। सऊदी अरेबिया की कंट्री ने भी अब एक अपनी उसको भेजने के लिए तैयारी करी है, तो कैसा देखते हैं उस कंट्री को जो एक लोगों में और ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं, पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ रहे हैं, तो उसमें कितना अच्छा लगता है जब एक ऐसी कंट्री भी पार्टिसिपेट करती है।
ओके सो मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट रिवील करूंगा कि सऊदी अरेबिया का नेशनल डायरेक्टर भी मैं ही हूँ और सऊदी अरेबिया फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट करिए बिकॉज मैंने इनिशिएटिव लिया फॉर सऊदी अरेबिया एंड दिस ईयर वी विल हैव मोर देन 100 countries at Miss Universe, and this is going to be the biggest ever Miss Universe ever had. And we look forward to having much more millions of viewers across the world so that we make Miss Universe the biggest pageant in the world. It is the #1 and it will remain to be #1 by huge margin.
Nikhil and Shanice, here. Yeah, this is Bilal. I have 3 questions. The first question is कि क्या अगला मिस यूनिवर्स पेजेंट या फिर उसके आगे का मिस यूनिवर्स पेजेंट हम इंडिया में देख सकते हैं, क्या इंडिया में आयोजित होगा? दूसरा मेरा सवाल है कि आपको पता होगा कि जनरल इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल इंडिया में, वोटिंग परसेंटेज काफ़ी कम है, तो क्या आप लोगों को कोई प्लान है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन या फिर गवर्नमेंट की किसी बॉडी से मिल करके आप लोग उसको बढ़ावा देंगे? और तीसरा क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है कि व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स, आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन टू द मिस यूनिवर्स, व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट popular leader in the world, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi?
हम थोड़ा पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चंस को थोड़ा अवॉइड करेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज अगेंस्ट द नॉर्म्स. वी रिस्पेक्ट ईच एंड एवरी पार्टी एंड ईच एंड एवरी लीडर ऑफ द कंट्री एंड वी बिलीव दैट वी गो बाय द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर नो मैटर हु इज देयर. वी हैव टू सपोर्ट आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नो मैटर व्हाट, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी ऑल बिलीव एट ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स बिकॉज वी बिलीव दैट leaders have a I missed your second question. I think it was for Srinivas.
Yeah, the second question is कि जनरल इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं.
नहीं, first question.
First question ये कि क्या मिस यूनिवर्स पेजेंट इंडिया में हो
Okay.
सकता है?
He is asking if they can see Miss Universe happening in India in future, the global pageant.
Well, let me tell you that I think that it will be an amazing opportunity not only for India to be able to host Miss Universe in the near future. We're looking forward for your candidacy. We have a committee that evaluates every year, every country. We have several countries applying already for 2025, 2026. It's like the Olympics, right? Every country makes the best bid. But definitely what we're seeing in India, it's a country that is thriving, that has a strong economy and definitely a lot of potential to be able to continue, to be able to empower women. So the results of what we have seen in countries like El Salvador last year, it was almost $77 million of investment just during the pageant, you know, because all the hotels were booked, all the agencies were fulfilled. So we have a great opportunity when there's a host country like it happened last year in El Salvador. The benefits are tremendously, bringing jobs to many people. So we hope that India can be able to apply for the candidacy for the next years or so. The universe loves India, definitely, and we have great partners that we can be able to work together to make that a possibility.
We would avoid because he doesn't have any idea about the Indian elections and all. So I don't think it would be the right to comment on that. If you ask me, I would say that I think as a responsible citizen, we must cast our vote to have a better future, and we can choose our leaders wisely who can make our country grow.
Hello. My question is that how do you think today about today's India in this context?
I believe that we are one of the strongest nations in the world. We are now one of the leading nations. We have changed our ways. We have come up as a stronger nation. And I would say that India loves to lead from the front now. This is the new India. India loves to lead, and India would continue to lead.
हेलो, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो प्रोग्राम आज आपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, इसके पीछे आपका उद्देश्य क्या है?
उद्देश्य ये है कि हमने बहुत सारे चेंजेस लाए हैं मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया पैजेंट में। बहुत सारे सालों के बाद हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने फ्रेंचाइज को टेक ओवर किया है, एंड बहुत सारे नए चेंजेस आए क्योंकि हम इसको नई दिशा में ले जाना चाहते हैं। हम कंपटीशन को और ज़्यादा बड़ा बनाना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और ज़्यादा बड़े लड़कियों के लिए। हम चाहते हैं कि हर वो लड़की जो सपना देखती है वो हमारे पास आकर के अपने सपने को जी सकती है।
क्या आप इस चेंजेस को एलेबोरेट कर पाएंगे?
Until last year, height restrictions थे to apply, and I believe that कोई अगर 5'2" का है और बहुत talented है, तो वो opportunity से deprive नहीं होना चाहिए। That's why I removed the height criteria for the Indian pageant. Next, हमारा you know that बहुत सारी औरतें जब तक 25-26 की होती है वो इंडिपेंडेंट बनती है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली पहले क्या होता था कि उनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज की एज खत्म हो जाती थी, तो हमने एज लिमिट भी हटा दिया। अगर आप में टैलेंट है, अगर आप 18 साल वालों से बेहतर परफॉर्म कर सकते हो इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ एज, अगर आप अच्छे हो तो हमें आपकी एज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
एज का कोई कैप नहीं है?
एज का कोई कैप नहीं है। अगर आप सपने देखते हो, अगर आप बेस्ट हो तो हम आपके लिए तैयार हैं।
हाइट क्या है? हाइट क्राइटेरिया मतलब क्या है?
नो हाइट क्राइटेरिया।
हेलो निखिल आनंद जी, अपूर्व है
Yes, please.
अपूर्व श्रीवास्तव है। आप काफ़ी दिन से पेजेंट्स करा रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो आपको इस बीचेस ड्यूरिंग द पेजेंट्स आपको क्या क्या हर्डल्स आए?
आई थिंक एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर हम बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस करते हैं। इंडिया बहुत ज़्यादा बॉलीवुड ड्रिवन कंट्री है, बट इट्स हाई टाइम हम उन लड़कियों को भी अप्रिशिएट करें, उनको भी प्रमोट करें जो बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने के लिए। आई थिंक हमें और ज़्यादा सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है फ्रॉम स्पॉन्सर्स, फ्रॉम आवर ओन कंट्री पीपल, ताकि वो ज़्यादा समझ सके कंपटीशन को। पैजेंट सिर्फ खूबसूरती नहीं है, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट एक्सटर्नल ब्यूटी, इट्स अबाउट द इंटरनल ब्यूटी। वी choose the woman who is beautifully inside out. So it's high time we appreciate the women who dares to dream and those who work hard to represent our country. हम जैसे बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स को तब अप्रिशिएट करते हैं जब वो ओलंपिक्स जीत जाते हैं, हमें उनको तब से सपोर्ट करना चाहिए जब से वो नेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, उसी तरह से हम पैजेंट गर्ल्स को तब से सपोर्ट करें जब से वो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं।
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि स्टार्टिंग स्टेज से सपोर्ट मिल रहा है? आप काफ़ी टाइम से इस पेजेंट्स में हैं, so
I
I
think-
wanted to know.
आई विल नॉट कंप्लेन कि स्टार्टिंग से बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि वैसे ही हम सीखते हैं। हम अपने आप को उस लायक बनाते हैं कि पूरी दुनिया आपकी मेहनत को देख करके सपोर्ट करती है, और मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं है कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है तब ये चीज़ें कमाई है और लोगों के ट्रस्ट को कमाया है।
She is from the middle class, upper middle class. She is from the middle class or upper middle class.
Okay. They want to understand that. Do you come from a middle class family background, or how was it for you? Because sometimes it's easy for those who are very well off to do, who are financially very sound. It's very easy for those women, but it gets a bit difficult for those who come from a middle class family. So they want to understand that. How was your journey?
During my life in Nicaragua, I always had clear my mind, and I want to be different. Different for my family, different for my country, but the most important, different for myself. So I start to work hard inside me. And even many know around me, doesn't matter. I always work hard for all that I want for me, for my future, for the family future, and for the next generation. And it's the reason because I tell you, believe in your dream, believe in all that you want to do for your future and for yourself. Because if you have the mind clear, everything is not easy, but it's not easy, but it's more clear to you what is your next goal and what is your next step.
निखिल जी, मिस यूनिवर्स पहुंचने के लिए कितने राउंड से गुजरना पड़ता है, थोड़ा होगा?
मिस यूनिवर्स पहुंचने के लिए अगर सच बताएं तो बहुत सारे राउंड्स हैं। बहुत आसान नहीं होता एक नेशनल कंपटीशन तक भी पहुंचना। हम सोचते हैं, हर किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हें रैंप वॉक बहुत अच्छे से आता है, बट जब हम प्रैक्टिकली उस लेवल पे जाते हैं तो एक लड़की को तकरीबन 6 महीने से 1 साल लगते हैं एक डिसेंट रैंप वॉक तक आने में। आप जिन विनर्स को आप देखते हो वो 1 या 2 साल से तैयारी नहीं कर रहे होते, वो सालों की तैयारी है जो आपको उस 10 सेकंड के परफॉर्मेंस में दिखता है। कहते हैं ना, उस ओलंपिक की 10 सेकंड की दौड़ के पीछे सालों की मेहनत है, उसी तरह उस मिस यूनिवर्स के स्टेज पे 10 सेकंड की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए कई सालों की मेहनत है।
राउंड कितने हैं, थोड़ा ये?
राउंड्स बहुत सारे होते हैं। पहले बेसिक शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होती है, एप्लीकेशंस जो भी आते हैं वो पहले स्टेट लेवल पे जाएंगे, स्टेट लेवल पे कंपटीशन होगा, तब वो स्टेट विनर बन के तब वो नेशनल कंपटीशन में आएंगे। कुछ स्टेट्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंट है, जैसे सपोजिटली कोई स्टेट से 4 लड़कियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है, बट वहाँ से कोई एक ही जीत सकती है। इस बार हमने एक और चीज़ लाया है कि जो लड़कियाँ स्टेट कंपटीशन नहीं जीतती या फिर उनका वो दिन बुरा हो, सपोजिटली उसकी तबीयत खराब हो जाए, वो बेस्ट परफॉर्म ना कर पाए, उसके पास एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी एक फाइनल ऑडिशन के लिए। इसलिए हम 30 नहीं 40 से ज़्यादा सीट्स रख रहे हैं इस बार नेशनल कंपटीशन के लिए। और तब नेशनल कंपटीशन में मल्टीपल राउंड्स, 20 दिनों से ज़्यादा के कंपटीशन होने के बाद हर दिन की इवैल्यूएशन के बेसिस पे और फिनाले की इवैल्यूएशन के बेसिस पे हम वो मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया का सिलेक्शन करेंगे। पहला चेंज हाइट क्राइटेरिया इस बार से नहीं है। जो भी लड़की सपने देखती है वो कॉम्पीट कर सकती है। दूसरी क्राइटेरिया, एज का क्राइटेरिया इस बार से नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। अगर कोई 35 साल की भी कोई लड़की, वो अगर 22-23 साल की लड़की को अच्छे से कंपटीशन दे सकती है स्टेज पे, तो उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया के प्लेटफॉर्म पे।
लेकिन एज तो कैप नहीं है, तो 60 वाले क्या इसमें?
अगर 18 साल से बेटर, 18 साल वाले ज्यादा बेटर परफॉर्म करेंगे तो क्या हर्ज है?
जैसा कि आपने कहा